Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup. So if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I'm starting my low buy / no buy for the next 6 months. So if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. I saw this kind of video on Kelly Gucci's channel and I think it's a great idea to have a low buy / no buy on some makeup categories, to have a more manageable collection and to use everything that you have in your collection. Let's talk about the categories. I have my notes in here. The first category is foundations, and that's because I have too many right now. At this moment I'm waiting for the Charlotte Tilbury foundation to reach me so I can make a video. I hope when you are seeing this I already done that, but yeah. So at this moment I'm waiting for that one, and I bought at the end of December in 2021 the Fenty foundation, and then the Catrice True Skin foundation is new as well. So I have like 3 new foundations in my collection, and that's way too many. So for the foundation category, I'm allowing myself to buy 1 foundation in the next 6 months if, and I'm saying again, if I'm finishing the Urban Decay foundation, which is in my project pen, and if I'm finishing the 3 Maybelline foundations that I have in my collection. I don't know if I could finish those 4 in the next 6 months, but if I'm doing that, I could buy then another foundation. But if I'm not doing that, no buy for me. The next category is concealers, and I'm using up concealers more slow than foundations, and I have enough concealers, and I'm the worst at matching my shade online. So I have in mind to buy, again, after I'm finishing the beige concealer, because I really want to try that, but I'm seeing myself buying that in the far future. And the rule for this one is if I'm finishing the NYX one, which is in my project pen, and the Juvia's Place concealer that I don't really like, but I found that I could make it work if I'm using it as a foundation. I'm wearing it today, it doesn't look the best, but I still could make it work. So if I'm finishing those 2 concealers, I'm gonna buy the beige one, but only in that situation. And I really want to finish maybe another concealer as well. I will see, but I'm gonna allow myself to buy 1 concealer if I'm finishing those 2 first. The next 2 categories are very similar and are powder blush and powder bronzer. So I'm allowing myself to buy cream blush and cream bronzer because I'm very interested in some cream bronzers and blushes, but not powder, because it's very hard to go through blushes and bronzers, and I really want to hit some pens in the ones that I have. I just bought the Pixie one, the luminous blush. I really like that one, but it's the last one that I'm gonna buy in the powder form. And for bronzers as well, I have too many bronzers and I don't need that many, so I'm not gonna buy any more powder blush and powder bronzer for the next 6 months, or maybe even more than that. But yeah, so I have too many. But creams, I'm very interested in some cream products, but powders, no more. Then we have another category in the no buy, which is loose powder. I have only 2 loose powders, but that's enough. At the moment, I'm very interested in pressed powder, and the 2 loose powders that I have are enough for my under eyes, and if I want to bake, if I want to use them all over the face, they are more than enough for the next 6 months, so I'm not gonna buy any more loose powders. For the next one is lip liners, lipsticks and lip glosses. I'm putting them all in no buy because I have way too many in the order that I'm just waiting. I bought a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick and a Viv lip pencil. I had enough anyway, but I was really interested in the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, but now I have way too many. I'm not gonna go through all of them in my lifetime. Not really, but I think I have enough. I think this one will be the hardest. For some reason I really like having different formulas in lipsticks, but yeah, I have way too many and I want to finish some of them. For lip glosses, I think it will be easier to go through them, but I want to do that, not buy anymore. And as well, I'm not wearing lip gloss when I'm wearing makeup. I'm wearing usually lip gloss when I'm staying home, and sometimes I'm wearing them with makeup, but I much prefer wearing liquid lipstick or bullet lipsticks when I have makeup on. So I really want to use some lip glosses up, and for lipsticks maybe just use more what I have and maybe finish some. That will be great. Yeah, so I'm putting a no buy for the next 6 months. I think it will be a bit hard, but I'm very excited. I'm doing this video just to motivate myself to stop buying those as well. Next category is highlighter, and for this one, I don't know, I really like wearing highlighter, but highlighter is not very interesting to me right now. I much prefer blush right now. I want to wear highlighter, but I don't want to buy anymore. I bought recently the Catrice one, which is very beautiful, but I don't know, I'm not interested in trying new formulas. So I think I'm gonna finish the ones in my project pen, and I think those will be enough for the next 6 months, because it's really hard to go through highlighters. And if I could finish in the next 6 months the 2 that are in my project pen, I still have others in my collection. And yeah, so I don't need more highlighters. I'm putting again this one in the no buy category because I have enough. And the last category, which is not makeup but is still beauty related, are perfumes and fragrances and body mists and stuff like that. In this category, I'm putting it in the low buy because I will let myself buy just one. When Sephora is having the 20% off sale, I'm gonna buy my favorite perfume, which is the La Vie est Belle by Lancôme. And I really want that perfume because mine is almost out. So that's it. For the next 6 months, I need to stop buying perfumes. I really like wearing perfume, but I have enough in my collection, and I don't love perfumes that much to have a giant collection. So what I have right now, it's enough, and I'm just gonna allow myself to buy that one because I really love it and it's my favorite and I want to have it in my collection. Okay, so these were all the categories. In June, I'm gonna film an updated version of this video. We are gonna talk about how hard the low buy / no buy was, and if I cheated on some of these. I hope not. We're gonna see how I did and if I want to add categories, remove categories, and yeah. So if you like the video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.